It's a new world out there. Cloud adoption and the growth of the hybrid workforce have changed the tech landscape. But as you look to replace appliance-based solutions like VPN, you need to think beyond simply providing remote access to your users. When you focus on access, you lose sight of the bigger picture, which is the data you're trying to protect. Existing solutions connect users when they provide the right credentials and verifications, but they don't track what happens after they get inside. This is where Lookout Secure Private Access can help. A zero-trust network access solution that focuses on data. It's delivered from the cloud and can discover, assess, and protect data across your private apps in real time, whether they're on premises or in the cloud. And with the ability to enforce data protection anywhere, we enable seamless collaboration between contractors or employees, even when they're using networks and devices you don't manage. Lookout Secure Private Access is grounded in the principles of zero trust and least privilege access. This means each user only gets access to the apps and data they need, no more, no less. By segmenting access, we stop malicious users and malware from compromising the rest of your organization. And by continuously monitoring the security posture of your users and their devices, we ensure your data is protected at all times. Learn more about secure private access at lookout.com.